Ayan, magandang gabi. Ayan. So, andito ako ngayon sa Royal Hotel kung saan na-attend kami ng munting salo-salo ng mga Pilipino. It's a celebration, graduation ni Pia. Isa na siyang RN, registered nurse. So, meron party ngayon dito. Parang pasasalamat. Ayan. So, mostly mga Pilipino ang mga nandito. Tara na! Pasok tayo. Ayan. So, ayan.
How are you? Good, thanks.
Kutin natin tong muna bago tayo pumasok sa venue. Ayan. Ayan, let's enjoy the party! Ayan. Pia. Ayan, ito pala, oh. Congrats RM, Sophia. Ayan, si Sophia. So, ito yung kanyang cake. Ganda. Ayan. So, ito naman ang mga condiments. Ayan. Chine-check ko itong
Nakatapat sa Beach Club. Doon ba tayo?
No, we're all gathered here to basically celebrate the graduation.
pwede na pala siyang entertainer. Ayan.
Can we just give a round of applause for her and her congratulations?
Yay!
Masyado naririnig, no?
Nag-e-echo kasi. The mom or the graduate?
For the celebration of Pia's, no, hindi naman here understands. I mean, I can just talk.
Lakasan mo na lang.
Thank you very much for coming to celebrate with us. Pia's. Oh my God. Milestone na achievement. Despite your busy schedule, you took time to be here and to celebrate with us.
Ayan, malakas na. Bigyan mo na. Bigyan mo na. Bigyan mo na yung mic. Hawakan mo. Doon lang sa may tabi niya. Sa gilid lang.
But she's very, everything that she does, she's very prepared to do it. Like, until she cares, when she was, and she very dedicated to the 18. And she had a scholarship grant from the Baker High School. That's why we did not pay for her first semester. And she took a biochemistry, and in the next semester she expected to an EC course, which is nursing, according to her. So she finished nursing, and she wrote the NCLEX
The NCLEX. Yeah, exam. NCLEX.
September 27, and she
Masyado mo binabantayan ng anak mo. What? Masyado mo. Kumakatingin ka eh.
so Ian be proud because you earned the degree and you succeeded in NCLEX. That is a job well done. Advice to you is continue to persevere. Share your talents with others, and of course share your blessings. First me mine, then me mine, and to Mark.
Yeah. And to Mark, yeah.
Share your blessings. And congratulations. Thank you for making us so proud.
You.
Again, thank you. Good night, and we love you. God bless.
Pan. Ayan.
Our celebrant has recently passed the NCLEX exam, as I passed earlier in college by our celebrant's mother. And she's become what most Filipino parents dream for their kids, to be a nurse, right? So, with that, we'd like to call on our celebrant to share a little bit about her journey in her education. We're just gonna ask for a little advice, and we're just gonna ask for a little advice from our celebrant and for inspiration for the people around here who maybe are striving for greatness as well. We just welcome our celebrant.
The graduate.
Whatever my mom says. I just appreciate everyone for coming. And hopefully you enjoyed what they did. And thank you to everyone who was able to come to support me. I thought it
Ang dami, ayan o. Si madami pagkain. Filipino food. Ayan. Ayan. Ah, may lechon pa. Ayan, lechon. Ready siya ng Girl, how's the food?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Yeah, I know it's good.
I love it.
You will love it. So how's the food, girl? Good. Ayan, tatry kong mag-Sharon. Ayan.
Ay, si Kati.
Ayan. Sharon time tayo. Ayan, gusto ko lang ng ano. Ayan o, magsi-Sharon kami ngayon.
Walang gumagalaw yan.
Okay, chicken na lang ako. Ayan, magsi-Sharon tayo ngayon. Ayan, nag-Sharon na sila lahat. Ayan o. Oh, Sharon na talaga yan. Kakawaan na.
Hala ka, Sharon! Hala ka! Baka wala akong kinuha.
Ayan, tapos na sila mag-Sharon. So, ito na ang natitira. Ayan, o. Tapos na ang Sharon. Tapos na ang Sharon. Ayan ang natira, ubos. Ayan. Ubos na. Ay, may ano pa pala dito, may lechon. Ayan.
Ako, okay lang ako eh.
Okay lang. Ayan na yung si Mr. Sharon. Ayan.
Hindi, Gabi.
Gabi pala, Gabi. Ayan, ito na, oh, mga nasyaro namin. Very good na. Ayan, may kanya-kanya kaming dala, mga Sharon. Ayan. Okay. Yung cake. Pahingi tayo ng cheesecake. Ayan. So, I like this one.